Morning, 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 morning. It's freezing. 7:30 in the morning. The view is amazing behind us. And right now, me, Vera, and Lucky G, which is coming, we are going to
Oslo.
which is the capital of
Norway.
It's freezing. Look, Albamo. We have to go now to the train station, take the train, and then we go to Oslo. It's freezing. Oof. Wake up, Timmy, wake up. Okay, car is parked perfectly. Now we go to train. So the train is leaving at 8:30.
Oh my god.
It's past 8.
It's 8:29.
No way. No, you're joking. You're joking, man.
Well, I mean,
No, it's 8:17, no?
Tim would have stayed 5 minutes later in bed. We'd be in trouble right now.
No, I was the first outside.
What do you mean the first outside, but you went to bed at like 4?
Oh, I went to bed at 5.
5?
5:30, yeah, so I slept 1 hour.
Yeah.
Couldn't sleep, mate. But I still have energy. No excuses. Today is a big day for Luca. Huge collab is coming for Luca. With a very huge guy in Norway that Vera knows. Luca knows. I don't know. But I think he's a funny guy. This is our train, no?
Wait, funny how? How's he funny?
Oh my god! Here. Oh. We go to Oslo from Stabæk. 8:40. New time. Oh, it's cold.
Tell me that I have to...
Where's the coffee shop here? No. We cannot wait anymore, man. I cannot wait 20 minutes under this cold. Excuse me, where's the coffee shop?
Really?
There.
Yeah.
Thank you. She knows. Δεν κάνει κρύο στην Ελλάδα. Κρύο δεν έκανε ποτέ. I'm just singing a Greek song about cold. Ay, mi niño, mi niña. I'm freezing. Oh, Venteron Billetler Racing Dogs. Coffee shop is coming. Oh. I can smell the coffee. I'm not gonna eat, I'm fasting, as you all know. Alright. Cappuccino, no sugar, de Brazil. Perfecto.
Bloody hell, it's cancelled. You joking?
What is cancelled? The trip? What?
Maybe that's what happened with Stian.
Oh, the trip is cancelled. No way. Wait, how do you know?
It says.
But they say
They
why?
just said it.
We were going to order something. Our train's been cancelled.
Our train just
Wait.
cancelled. And now, when is the next one?
Well, it's not.
I will buy the coffee. Anyway, coffee is a coffee. Yes, of course. Thank you. Hey, I can't believe that, man. We are in the train station and the trip got cancelled.
I don't know.
We don't know why, right?
I can't see it.
Look, the train has been disrupted. No reason. I don't know. I know one thing, we have to adjust. Interesting times. Let's have some coffee. Coffee time. Coffee to Brazil. Let's see where the others are. What's happening?
Well, yeah. We don't know. Question is our train cancelled or is the next one cancelled?
Guys, you see, that's the number one difference between being born and raised in Greece and other countries. Listen, before I was freezing, I admit it. I was freezing, I was cold, but the coffee must be always cold. So I think this is the right train. Whoa. I don't have a ticket. They have the ticket. Oh, door is closed. So means I cannot go. I'm joking.
Okay, I was just wondering if there's somewhere else in the world.
Thank you. You know, my jokes are a bit weird. But yeah, still jokes, you know. Right, it's a little bit cozy here. Rise and shine. Look at how you feel, my friend.
I just hope this is the right train, you know?
Is it, my friend? Goes to Oslo. Alright, train has started. It's going pretty fast. I feel like I'm in Formula 1. Lewis Hamilton is driving this train. Man, it goes so fast.
What?
Man, this train goes so fast.
No, sorry.
No?
What is... Oh.
Oh, look! Look, guys, look how fast we go. I think we are more than 250 kilometers an hour, man. Look.
This one's mine.
Look, I do this, and my ears are equalized.
Equalizer.
Yeah, click. We go very fast.
It's a normal speed train. Like, what do you expect? Like a horse and cart?
Oh man, I feel like it goes very, very fast.
I think Norway are like behind the times here. Didn't they get some like a steam train?
Negative guy. Wow. Oh, yellow truck.
The what? Truck?
Yeah, it was a yellow one.
I didn't see it.
I saw it.
Why did you hit me if you didn't see it?
Luca!
Didn't see it.
Guys, do you think this is illegal? I don't see anyone checking me. Fuck live.
And the guy can say, if you fit down, please.
This is like in London, like, oh, alright man, like, could you please move your... You gotta get comfy. Right, quick update. The train is over. I don't know why.
Now it's time to take the bus.
Time for the bus. It's okay. Another experience with the bus. Balam 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 balam. I don't know what they're talking about, man, but it sounds German. Wie heißt du? Norwegian. Oh, fresh air.
The same bus.
Good morning, Norway! Madre mía! Ay, ay, ay. Oh, have a car wait for us. No? Oh, something happening here, I don't know. One bus for 100 people.
But obviously not everyone's going to get on the bus.
I'm getting stressed right now, I don't know what's going on. What are they saying? I raise my hand. What do they say? You look like a doctor. I don't know what's happening.
Is there one more? Or we can't?
Thank you. Lovely lady, she let me in.
Hey, can you please stop recording?
Ah, yeah. Oh. Okay, I think we just arrived in Oslo. So what's the first thing you do when you arrive in Oslo? Updating Tinder. That's an update.
I mean, maybe the app's telling you something. Maybe it doesn't think you're going to get...
I need to find a Tinder match today, so I can find a place to sleep.
I bet you'll get some in Oslo.
Yeah, that's vital, man. I need to find a place to sleep.
There's not many Greek people here, you know.
There's an upload. Sugar mom I'm looking for. I put age.
Just got a
5 plus.
random Greek guy, yeah? Traveller in Oslo for that one day.
Few hours.
Yeah, a few hours, yeah. Film with that.
Alright. We made it to Oslo! Madre mía!
I just said Oslo.
So basically, forget about this mask now. We're waiting for the guy, you know, this famous guy from Norway that I don't know, but Vera knows and Luca knows. So we're waiting for him to come and take us with his car. I'm very excited to meet him, you know? Very excited. Bro, what's his name again?
Very good toilets.
What's the guy's name?
Stian.
Stian. So who is Stian, Vera?
Famous Norwegian
Presenter.
He does everything.
So we're about to meet.
Apart from magic.
Apart from magic.
Apart from magic.
Yeah, so don't be trying to say he does everything when he doesn't do magic.
Almost everything.
Does he do hypnosis?
No.
Does he do magic? No. Does he do...
Does he make again in the vlog, man? You're gonna be again negative. Look at it. Guys, you know that.
listen, I'm gonna teach
guys,
you-
Luca is joking, man. He's joking.
I'm going to teach him magic for the vlog, yeah? Right, that's funny. I want to do that. Wait.
So we're about to meet this famous Norwegian presenter who is huge in Norway, and Luca's about to collab with him. Very gonna help with the translation, and I'm like a random Greek guy being there. So I'll just guys be recording for you, and yeah.
Alright, so we just made it too.
Oh guys, check this out. They say lift, highs. They don't say elevator like in USA. So people in Norway respect more the Cambridge English and vocabulary than the American one. Ay, ay, ay. That's amazing. Oh, sorry.
Right, can you go to the toilet? Can you,
Yeah. Wait, we have to pay.
Yeah.
Timmy, are you going?
No, I'm just gonna see what's going on.
You sit here.
Yeah, one sec. My friend, we have to pay for the toilet. How much? How much? 40. So we have to pay for the toilet. No, I'll keep it. I'll just keep it. Yeah, actually I've seen this as well in Amsterdam and Brussels. Luca now is paying to go to the toilet. I'll just wait, man. Like, patience.